Hello and welcome to Alicia's Creative Paradise. I have another beautiful journal to show you today, and it is a cardstock and fabric cover, and it's got this beautiful fancy fabric. And I searched and searched and found a printable to go with this fabric, and I just have this embellishment from Hobby Lobby. It's like a sticky back frame. There was a big one that came with that, and this was the smaller one. And I put some of the printable inside of it. I have this beautiful embellishment trim on the spine. Here's the back. And I've got a sari silk closure, and let me show you how that works. So you just untie it like this, and there's a bow here that's holding it in. I have two grommets that I put to secure it on the inside of the covers. Here's some ephemera, and I'll link these digitals below. And I used some beautiful lace trim for the pockets here and trim around the edge. And I believe this is Ephemera's Vintage Garden printable, and it's called Garden Manor. And I thought it matched really pretty with this cover. I've fussy cut some of that printable out and put it on this inside cover, which is coffee dyed paper. I have also done the page tabs with avocado dyed paper, which matched perfectly with some cheesecloth and trim. And I just love the way that came out. Let's see if I can turn my light on. Okay, and then this kit came with pockets and these file folder type things that I made into pockets. And here's one of the pieces of ephemera. And I have several kits in here, so I'll link all of those in here. And I've just put cheesecloth with this little bow, some cotton thread. And I wrapped the pocket around the page. And I've coffee dyed backed it and sewn around it with the cheesecloth. Some coffee dyed paper for writing. Here's some more of that trim that I've trimmed down to small pieces with the fabric tabs. I actually printed the printable on fabric and made them into tabs. Here's some fussy cutting, and this is a little envelope that I made with it. Just got a little writing space inside of it. And I just love the way these turned out. It kind of fanned out when I did it in my sewing machine with this avocado dyed paper. These were actually scraps that I had been saving, and I thought, oh goodness, I'm going to use those because they really match the color scheme. And with the rose gold paper clips and everything. And I just tucked a fussy cut behind them to kind of bring it to life. Here's a little side tuck with some ephemera. Here's a pocket with a writing card. And isn't the digital beautiful? Look at that. It's just gorgeous. I love it so much. It's kind of rose gold in color. Here's another piece of ephemera with another writing space. And some fussy cutting. There's another one. And I also made this here. This is a booklet, and I've used my glossy accents on here to shine it up. And this is a vintage placemat for a table that I have put on the front there with the cheesecloth. And there's just some writing paper inside of here. There's another page of the printable. And some sticky back jewels for decoration. More writing space here. Coffee dyed paper. Here's another tab, and I used one of the black paper clips and just put more of that trim on it. I thought that looked really neat. I like the look of that on that fabric tab. Here's another paper ribbon with the trim on it. There's another pocket, some journaling cards here. I'll put some sari silk ruffle ribbon up on top. Here's another piece and part of that placemat. There's another one of these decorations here with a burlap little ribbon there. Here's the center of the signature. There's one signature, and I've put these beautiful beads in here on the tail. There's plenty of room for writing in this journal. And here's some vellum envelopes with just some ephemera inside. I got like 3 of these in here. And I went all out and blinged up this side pocket. It's kind of like a smoky jewel that I think it matched really well. There's 2 cards in there. And here's another of the decorations. And I just love how this looks. It's so pretty. And here is another safety pin with some beads on it. There's another paper ribbon. And this just folds over the top for journaling spots. Coffee dyed paper. And here is the other little vellum pocket. You just, this says made with love, and you just unwrap it, and it's got a little journaling card inside of it. And here's some more journaling spots, some bling, and some sari silk ribbon there. Ruffle. Here's the other little envelope. I think those are so precious. My mother gave me those. And here's the back. You can see the beautiful coffee dyed paper. And I left it kind of crinkly, and I love it. There's the pocket. And just some ephemera to go inside of it here. All right, and that is the journal. I hope you like it. I do think that it is, you know, kind of fall themed colors here. And if you would like this journal, it will be in my Etsy store. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back really soon. And like, share, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.